Hmm, what a perfect day. Sunny skies, warm breeze, a bench in the shade, just far enough from yours. I knew you'd come to the park today. You always come here on Thursdays after your errands. And today is special, after all. Today is National Girlfriend's Day, silly. And I'm your girlfriend. Even if you are rather secretive about it. But it's okay. I know you're shy. You always have your headphones in and your eyes low, avoiding eye contact, like a little bunny. That's what I love about you. You're gentle and kind, and you never look at anyone too long. So respectful, so safe. I picked out this outfit just for you. I know you like soft colors. I even curled my hair the way you looked at it in the shampoo aisle last month. You thought no one noticed, didn't you? But I did. I always do. I see you every day, and I love everything about you. I don't want to scare you. That's why I sit over here, on this bench, just far enough that you won't run. You always seem to run when people get too close. But not me. I'll wait. I always wait. Happy National Girlfriend's Day, my love. I know it sounds silly, but I just wanted to spend it with you, even if it's like this. Quiet, distant, but together. You don't need to say anything. You don't even need to notice me. I'll carry the conversation for both of us. I'm so proud of you. I saw the way you held the door open for that older lady. I saw how you put the cart back in the right spot, even though no one was watching. Well, aside from me, of course. You're such a good person. You have such a kind heart, and that's why I chose you. You're mine, even if you're so shy about that. I brought snacks. Nothing weird, I promise. Just those granola bars you like. I remember the brand from when your bag spilled that one time. It's not creepy. It's attentive. Girlfriends should pay attention to their boyfriends, right? You don't need to be afraid. I would never hurt you. I'd never do anything to make you uncomfortable. That's why I don't text you or call you or show up at your job anymore. Unless I really, really miss you. You are so special. You are so loved. Even if no one else sees it, I do. I see your tired eyes. I see your soft smiles. I see you pushing through, even when the world doesn't deserve you. I see your strength, I see your softness, and I adore you. You don't need to change for me. You don't need to speak. Just be. Exist. Let me be near you. You dropped your pen. I picked it up for you. I'll leave it right here beside you on the bench. See? I'm helpful too. Supportive. Exactly what you need. And maybe one day when you're ready, you'll turn your head and smile at me, and I'll smile back, and it'll all make sense. Until then, I'll stay right here, a little behind, a little to the side, just close enough to watch over you like a good girlfriend should. You're safe, you're loved, and you'll never be alone again. Not while I'm here. Happy Girlfriend's Day, sweetheart.